Imagine a world where a pharmaceutical company needs to conduct separate safety studies for every country where they want to sell their medicine. Picture the complexity of different reporting forms, different timelines, different requirements, multiplied by dozens of countries. Now imagine the delays this causes in getting life-saving medications to patients who need them. This was the reality of drug development and safety monitoring before the 1990s. Every country had its own rule book, its own requirements, its own way of doing things. For pharmaceutical companies, it was like playing chess on multiple boards simultaneously with different rules on each board. Then came a revolutionary change, the creation of the ICH guidelines. Suddenly there was hope for a unified approach to drug safety, a way to speak the same language across borders, a path to getting medicines to patients faster without compromising on safety. Section 1 ICH Overview, Introduction to ICH. The International Council for Harmonization, or ICH, wasn't just another regulatory body, it was a bold experiment in global cooperation. Imagine bringing together the world's leading pharmaceutical regulators and industry experts, sitting them down at one table and saying, let's create a single set of standards that works for everyone. It began with three major players, the European Union, Japan, and the United States. These pharmaceutical powerhouses recognized that the future of medicine needed to be global. But they also knew that harmonization couldn't come at the expense of rigorous safety standards. Think of ICH as the United Nations of pharmaceutical development. Today, what started as a collaboration between three regions has expanded to include regulators and industry representatives from around the world. Countries like Canada, Switzerland, Brazil, and many others have joined this global conversation about drug safety. The impact? Dramatic. Drug development times shortened, research costs decreased, but most importantly, patients gained faster access to safe, effective medicines. When a company can develop a drug using the same safety standards for multiple countries, everyone wins. Structure of ICH guidelines. The ICH guidelines are organized like a well-designed library with four main sections, each serving a specific purpose. First, we have the quality guidelines, designated with the letter Q. These are the building blocks of pharmaceutical development, ensuring that every tablet, every injection, every medicine is manufactured to the highest standards. Next come the safety guidelines, the S series. These are your watchdogs, making sure that every new medicine is thoroughly tested for potential risks before it ever reaches a human patient. The efficacy guidelines, marked with E, focus on ensuring that clinical trials and safety monitoring are conducted properly. These are the guidelines that most directly impact pharmacovigilance practices. Finally, we have the multidisciplinary guidelines, the M series, which cross traditional boundaries to address complex modern challenges in drug development and safety. Together, these guidelines form a comprehensive framework that has transformed drug development from a collection of national activities into a truly global enterprise. They represent not just rules and requirements, but the collective wisdom of the world's leading pharmaceutical experts. Think about it, every time you read a safety report or review adverse event data, you're participating in a global system designed to protect patients everywhere, speaking a common language of drug safety that transcends borders.